So today I'm in Swindon, and as you can see in the camera up ahead, I've got the Magic Roundabout. So the roundabout with 5 mini roundabouts around it. And I'm going to try and navigate this today. This is the first time I've ever been on it. And just to make it a little bit interesting, I'm going to be going to the town centre, which is the 5th exit. And I'm going to be going around the roundabout left. So I'm going to hit all 5 roundabouts and head for the town centre. So hopefully this will all go well. I've never been on it before. So let's have a look how it goes. Okay, so the Magic Roundabout is coming up just after the next bend. And bearing in mind, I'm going to be going left to go right. So I'm going to hit all 5 roundabouts. So going for the left-hand lane first. And hopefully I'm not going to get beeped or anything because I've never been here before. So I'm looking to my right, there's nothing coming. And I'm going to go into the right position. And then I'm going to go all around these roundabouts. So checking to my right there, nothing coming through, nothing coming straight ahead. On to the next roundabout. Clear from the right. Now I'm going to be going straight off on the next roundabout, so I need the middle lane. Checking to my right, coming off in the left-hand lane. Checking my right, it's the last mini roundabout, and exiting. So it's not as bad as I thought it was going to be. Yes, I didn't use any indicators, but there was nobody who was really going to benefit from my indicators, so rather than confuse myself, it was pointless. So Magic Roundabout again is up ahead, so I'm going to be going, looking at the road sign, I'm going to be taking the 5th exit for Cirencester, the A419, so I'm hitting all 5 roundabouts again. Just coming up ahead, so this time I need to approach from the right, I believe. And I'm checking to my right, there's nothing coming. Now there is. As I go into the roundabout, check my left mirror, coming into the left-hand lane. And then I'm going to be going around this larger roundabout in the middle. So there's a roundabout to my right, so I've got to check my right. Now I can go, so I'm keeping my indicator on. Another roundabout to my right, so check that roundabout, nothing coming. Then I want to be coming off, so I'm going to go for the centre lane. Nothing coming from my right. I'm going to indicate this time, because this vehicle's waiting to pull out. And I'm back on the road to Cirencester. So overall, as long as you have a good look around that roundabout and you just be wary of anything coming, it's not a really difficult roundabout. Good lane position will actually make it a lot easier for you. I'm sure that somebody will comment on the video to say that I was in the wrong lane position, but as you can see, I didn't have any issues and nobody beat me, didn't cause any problems. So my lane position was actually telling people plenty what I was actually doing. So I hope you enjoyed this short video and hope to see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.